Welcome back to Quick Smart Quiz. Today, are you ready to play Would You Rather? Luxury Car Edition. Let's begin. Good luck! Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. First question. Would you rather drive a Lamborghini Revuelto or a Ferrari SF90XX? Would you rather own a Bugatti Tourbillon or a Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute? Would you rather drive this rusty car or like this video and subscribe? Would you rather own a Rolls-Royce Spectre or a Bentley Batour? Would you rather drive an Aston Martin Valkyrie or a Mercedes AMG 1? Would you rather own a Ferrari Purosangue or a Lamborghini Urus SE? Would you rather drive a Porsche 911 GT2 RS or a Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X? Would you rather own a Rimac Nevera or a Lucid Air Sapphire? Would you rather drive a Maserati McTwenty Cello or a Lamborghini Temerario? Would you rather own a Cadillac Celestiq or a Mercedes Maybach S-Class 680? Would you rather drive a Gordon Murray T50 or a McLaren Speedtail? Would you rather own a Rolls-Royce Phantom 8 or a Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner? Would you rather drive a Porsche Taycan Turbo GT or a Lotus Evija? Would you rather own an Aston Martin Velour or a Ferrari Daytona SP3? Would you rather drive a Bugatti Bolide or a Pagani Huayra R? Would you rather own a Range Rover SV Autobiography or a BMW Alpina XB7? Would you rather drive a Ford GT MK4 or a Hennessy Venom F5? Would you rather own a Mercedes Maybach X SUV or a Cadillac Escalade IQ? Would you rather drive a Zenvo Aurora or a Chinger 21C? Would you rather own a Lexus LFA or a Carrera GT? Would you rather drive a Singer Turbo Study or a Gunther Works Turbo? Would you rather own a Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 or a Bentley Bentayga EWB? Would you rather drive an Audi RS e-tron GT or a Lucid Gravity? Would you rather own a McLaren 750S or an Aston Martin Vantage? Would you rather drive a De Tomaso P72 or an Apollo IE? Would you rather own a Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 4x4 squared or a Brabus 900 Rocket Edition? Would you rather drive a Ferrari 296 Speciale or a Lamborghini Huracan STJ? Would you rather own a Spyker C8 Prelator or a TVR Griffith? Would you rather drive a Pininfarina Battista or a Rimac Navara R? Would you rather own a Bentley Continental GT Speed or an Aston Martin DB12? Would you rather drive a Dallara Stradale or a KTM X-Bow GT XR? Would you rather own a Rolls-Royce Boattail or a Bugatti La Voiture Noire? Would you rather drive a Maserati Gran Turismo Folgore or a Tesla Roadster? Would you rather own a BMW M8 Competition or an Audi RS7 Performance? Would you rather drive a Koenigsegg Gemera or a Ferrari GTC for Lusso? Would you rather own a Maybach SL 680 Monogram or a Bentley Continental GTC? Would you rather drive a Neo EP9 or a Rimac Concept 1? Would you rather own an Ineos Grenadier or a Land Rover Defender 130 V8? Would you rather drive a Shelby Mustang GTD or a Porsche 911 ST? Would you rather own a Lexus LC500 Inspiration Series or a Jaguar F-Type ZP Edition? Would you rather drive a Praga Bohema or a Radical SR10? Would you rather own a Morgan Plus 6 or a Dunkervoort F22? Would you rather drive a Polestar 6 or a Tesla Model S Plaid? Would you rather own a classic Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing or a Ferrari 250 GTO? Would you rather drive a Rivian R1X or a GMC Hummer EV Omega Edition? Would you rather own an Acura NSX Type S or a Nissan GT-RT Spec? Would you rather drive a Hispano Suiza Carmen Sagrera or a Delitzsch D12? Would you rather own a Genesis Neolon or a Volvo X90 Excellence? Would you rather drive a Bugatti Mistral or a Pagani Imola Roadster? Would you rather own the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail or the Pagani Huayra Catalunga? Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to comment your favorite car.